Hi, everybody. So we just wanted to say thank you for the incredible response that the Bharat trailer so far has received. And we thought we would answer some questions which have come onto the Bharat Twitter handle. And this is our director, Ali, for those of you who don't know. And he is going to be reading out the questions which have come on the handle. We couldn't pick all of them, of course, because we just kind of had to choose a few ones. Yeah, so we're going to try and answer.
This is Katrina Kaif, for all those who don't know. That's Katrina.
Okay, so I'm going to start. So the first question is from a Twitter handle that is Happy Birthday Master @loyal Salman Khan fan #1.
Okay,
So Katrina, you're out of this.
Thank you.
How was your experience working with comedian Sunil Grover?
Comedian Sunil Grover, Bichara. Sunil is one of the most talented actors that I've seen so far. He doesn't do mimicry. He just gets into the character and he plays the character. So if you see him in his Gutti and his Dr. Mashur Gulati, and then the way he imitates Mr. Bachchan or Dharamji, he's not hitting below the belt. He's not trying to do comedy. He's actually a very big fan of theirs, and he plays their character to the T. And I think he's one of the most talented people that I have ever come across till the time he met me. And there are lots of actors in the film who in some scenes have done much better than him. So I used to joke about, when I used to see somebody performing really well, when I used to look at Sunil, I said, le gaya scene.
Actually, I'll put it this way. So there was a few days where on set in the morning, the call time would perhaps be 8 a.m. and Sunil ji and me would be on set, and we would be waiting just for a very short time for sometimes when Salman would come. And so in those moments when we were, or those hours when we were waiting, we actually got a chance to really have some incredible conversations. And that's when I kind of first got to know Sunil ji, and I realized that he's really an incredibly knowledgeable person. Of course, he's funny, but he actually has got such incredible knowledge about culture, about books, about so many things. You can just talk to him on any topic, and he was just a really, really wonderful person to spend time with.
तो जब भी आपको सुनील ग्रोवर मिले, आप उनसे किसी भी टॉपिक पर बात कर सकते हैं और किसी भी किताब के ऊपर बात कर सकते हैं और बोलो कि कटरीना कैफ ने ये बोला है और आप अंतर्यामी हो, आपको सब जवाब गुरु हैं.
So the second question is from Kanesh Johari, and he's asking how difficult and challenging, exciting or interesting it was to play versatile characters in the same movie. That's for Bhai.
Kanesh
Johari.
Okay.
Kanesh Johari.
Also, how challenging was it for us to both play versatile characters in the same movie?
Yeah.
So my character is versatile and his character is versatile, and we came together in the same film.
Yeah. So basically, I think he's asking कि आपने जो इतने सारे age group play करे हैं, how challenging was it?
मेरे लिए तो बहुत चैलेंजिंग था, क्योंकि मैं इस एज ग्रुप में हूँ कि मैं उस एज ग्रुप में नहीं फिट होता हूँ और पहले वाले एज ग्रुप में भी नहीं फिट होता हूँ. तो मेरे लिए बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग था, और जिस एज ग्रुप में मैं हूँ इस वक्त, मैं अपने आप को उस एज ग्रुप का नहीं समझता. देखो, जैसा मैं हूँ वैसा हूँ, और वैसे ही मैंने काम किया है पिक्चर के अंदर.
कटरीना जी, आप बताएं.
I think it was very, very challenging for me. There were three distinct kind of sections in the film where the age goes from around 1975 to then, not the age, the year. The year is 1975, sorry. The year is 1975. The year is first 1975, and then Mere Apne starts around what year?
1990.
Around 1990, and then the kind of last
2000.
age you see is around 2010. So at least it was kind of clear that you had these these three distinct portions where you're going to see the change in the character's age. So that was very helpful. But I think the important thing was to try and get the body language right for the older portions, and to kind of see the mindset of how that person at that age is kind of thinking.
तो आगे जाके हम वो क्विज भी करने वाले हैं कि बताओ कि कटरीना कैफ किस उम्र की हैं और कौन सा यंग पोर्शन और कौन सा
कौन सा
ओल्ड
old
पोर्शन है और बीच का कौन सा चैलेंज है.
थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हर्ष देसाई, सलमान सर से, वी लव द बॉन्डिंग ऑफ यू एंड अली सर, विच इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म विद हिम, सुल्तान, टाइगर जिंदा है और भारत?
Oh, loves our bonding. What do you have to say to Harsh Dubey? नहीं क्या?
नहीं, हर्ष देसाई.
Harsh Desai.
I think that Harish ji, I think this question we can answer on June 6th.
क्यों?
Because then everyone will have seen all the films. Sultan, though, I'm sure he's seen. Tiger, he's seen. And Bharat, he will hopefully have seen
So
by
I
then.
think जो बेस्ट फिल्म जो लगी है जो हम दोनों ने साथ में की है उस पिक्चर का नाम है मैरीगोल्ड, जिसमें मैं एक्टर था और एक हॉलीवुड की पिक्चर बन रही थी जिसमें एली लाडर थे, विलर्ड कैरल डायरेक्टर थे और अली उसमें थे सेकंड यूनिट में 5th डायरेक्टर असिस्टेंट.
This is for you, Katrina. Pooja Tripathi wants to ask you. I want to ask my favorite Katrina Kaif that how she prepared herself for the character in the movie and what kind of role she would like to play in future.
How sweet.
Well, I had about 2 months to prepare for the role, and I worked extremely hard.
प्रियंका ने ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दिया हमको.
Ali was very, very clear on at least the look of the character, and we had, I think once we cracked the physicality and the hair, it was a big help for us because everything just kind of felt like it belonged from that time period. And the character was extremely well written, very, very strong, very, very a woman fighting in a man's world, and especially at that time, it was a very difficult time for a woman to be working in. And I think once I had that kind of structure in place, it was just really putting in as much preparation as we could, spending a lot of time reading the scenes, rehearsing the scenes with Ali, with my coach who was
Co-star.
helping me, with my coach who was helping me on the film, and putting everything that I felt that I wanted to bring to this character in, and then coming on set and doing the best we could.
No, but seriously बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया उन्होंने, बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है. अगर प्रियंका हमको थोड़ा सा और वक्त दे देती तो.
Next question, कुंदन कुमार, दोनों से, आप दोनों से फिल्म के बारे में कुछ स्पेशल बताइए, मैडम सर और भारत.
इस प्रश्न का उत्तर देंगी सिर्फ एक हमारी मैडम सर और हमारी मैडम सर अलोन.
बताइए स्पेशल.
I think
I really think it's the distinction of the way that Ali has written Bharat's character and Kumud's character, which is the character I play in the film. Because after doing the kind of films that me and Salman have already done together, I still felt when I saw the film that there was a completely different dynamic which he was able to bring in the film between the characters in the film, and I think that's not easy to do because we've done quite a few films together, and that kind of the way the characters are so unique and the way it comes together and the scale of the film and the emotion of the film, the heart of the film, the soul of the film. I think these are a few of the reasons why it's very special.
सुमीत सिंह पूछना चाहते हैं, सर विच इज योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग इन द फिल्म?
गाने तो सभी बहुत अच्छे हैं, जैसे कि स्लो मोशन बहुत अच्छा है, जो एक गाना है चाशनी वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, एहतिया भी बहुत अच्छा है, और एक और गाना तुरपिया तो कमाल ही. तो गाने एक ही लेवल के हैं और वो लेवल बहुत ऊंचा है गानों का.
I thought it would be very difficult to get an album which was better than Tiger Zinda Hai.
Tiger had one
And
song.
It had
two songs.
Two songs.
I think both Dil Diya Galla and Swag Se Swagat were such amazing songs that I kind of thought it would be hard to better that. But I really feel that Ali has managed to do that in this film. I mean, I hope everyone loves the songs as much, but they're really, really, every song is really incredible.
Last one, which was more Salman Khan universe is asking, which was the most toughest role to play, old or young?
आपको क्या लगता है? I think the younger role was the toughest to play. एक तो इन्होंने सुल्तान में 3 बार वज़न बढ़वाया, कम किया, वो तो एक्शन फिल्म थी, चलो ठीक है. इस रोमांटिक इमोशनल लाइफ की जर्नी में भी 3-4 बार वज़न बढ़वाया और घटवाया. धन्यवाद आपका. In a span of
6 months.
6 months. Yeah.
For me, definitely it was the older age, because I think my as a person, my mind and my body language is very fast, and I think we talk fast in today's day and age, and we think fast, and everything in today's day moves so fast that I think it was really important to just kind of slow down and be very still in your mind, and you're also not so worried at that age, you know. Like, I think most of all those worries and tension about the future is gone at that time, so I think you're a lot more peaceful in your mind.
At that age, future क्या देखना है? तो future मतलब end उधर ही है कहीं पे.
So you're at peace, you're like Shanti.
Yeah.
Well, Ali, I think you did a great job. I think this could be a possible alternate career for you.
Yes.
As
It's a
a-
great
as
interview.
As a
As a-
asking question.
Yes.
I don't think it's called as an asking questions. I think it's like a talk show host, maybe. And thank you guys so much for all your questions and for all the love you've given to the Bharat trailer so far.
Thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you very much.
you.